Hi, have you ever wondered how a tiny bird lives its life? From a little egg to flying high in the sky. Let's go on a journey to discover the amazing life of a bird. It all begins inside a warm, cozy egg. Baby bird grows inside, safe and sound. One day, the baby bird is ready. It pecks and cracks the shell and comes out. It's tiny, weak, and has no feathers. The baby bird, called a chick, stays in the nest. Its parents bring it food, worms, seeds, or insect. Slowly, it grows feathers. When it's strong enough, the chick starts flapping its wings. It hops, glides, and finally learns to fly. Now it's a grown bird. It can find food, make its own nest, and one day it will lay eggs too. And the cycle begins again. Birds sing to talk to each other. Some even copy sounds like human. Chirp chirp. That's how baby bird say hello. The life of bird is full of care, growth and learning. Just like us, birds grow step by step.